Hi there. This is Ruby's Reunion Day Dinner, written by Angela Dalton and illustrated by Jestenia Southerland. Grocery bags rustle, pots and pans clatter, and the room quakes with laughter as my family gathers in Grammy and Pop Pop's kitchen to make reunion day dinner. And not just any dinner, a soul food dinner. Every auntie, uncle, and cousin has a special something they cook and share once a year, what Daddy calls their signature dish. Everyone but me. Mama, I ask, what can I make this year? What do you have in mind, baby? I shrug. You sure you're big enough to help a little bit? Asks Auntie Billy, teasing me. I'm sure, I say, but I'm not. You'll think of something. Mama pecks my forehead with a kiss and gets back to her stirring. I watch my family bustle about and think, there has to be something that's just right for me. Peering over the counter, I see Mama's gooey peach cobbler bubbling up the sides of her favorite baking dish, the golden crispy crown of Daddy's perfect mac and cheese, the streaky unmixed layers of Grammy's hush puppy batter. Can I mix the batter, Grammy? I ask. Why, this mixer is bigger than you, little bit. Next year, baby. Wandering to the stove, I hear the crack and sizzle of chicken and catfish frying up in Pop Pop's iron skillet, the sharp whistle of red beans boiling in Uncle Mop's pressure cooker, the slow babbling of collard greens simmering in Auntie Patty's large stock pot. Can I stir the greens, Auntie Patty? I ask. Stove's too hot. You might hurt yourself. Next year, a little bit. Sneaking sniffs around the food table, I smell the sugary scent of marshmallows melting on top of Cousin Irene's sweet candied yams, the spicy perfume of cloves from Uncle Red's glazed maple ham, the reek of onions Uncle G's preparing to fry. They may be tasty, but they sure do stink. Can I help cut the onions, Uncle G? I look up to his face. I know, I sigh. Maybe next year. My mouth waters as I head outside, just thinking about the zing of Auntie Lena's pickled okra that crunch when you bite them, the tang of Cousin Titi's homemade hot sauce that stings my tongue just right, the perk of sweet juice from Auntie Billy's grilled corn. I sit on the back steps, head bowed, shoulders slouched. Whew, kitchen's hot, but the grill out here's hotter, says Auntie Billy, wiping the sweat trickling down her brow as she turns the meats and veggies. That's when I see it. The perfect job for me. Auntie Billy, I say, running up to her. Now, Lil Bit, you know you're too young to mess with this grill. Not that, I say, pointing behind her. That! Picking lemons so yellow they make my eyes squint, I press and roll them hard to loosen the juice before Uncle G helps me cut and squeeze them. Then I measure the just right scoop of brown sugar to make a lemonade tart enough to pucker my lips into a heart shape. After letting it chill in the fridge, I place my jar on the table next to the rest of our reunion day dinner. Looks like you found your signature dish, Daddy says, as he and my family drink with sweet relief from the heat. You outdid yourself with this lemonade, Ruby, Auntie Billy says between slurps. You promise to make it again next year? I smile, hearing her say my real name. Yes, and it'll be even better.